Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. And you guys, you have obviously seen videos. I am going through my stuff. I'm tired of having all of these things and I don't use them because they're either not my style or I don't craft with them, those items, or whatever it is. I got them in a mystery box, whatever it is. But here is my bulging basket of 6x6 and 6x8 papers that are not, like, don't have things that go with it, right? So I'm about to declutter all of this and I'm going to be harsh. That's it. I'm going to be harsh. So, first of all, this recollections pad for Valentine's Day. If I get rid of this, I won't have any Valentine's Day paper. So that has to stay. This is a Studio Light 8x8. There is some like vellum in here. I'm going to be honest and tell you I'm not going to use these papers, but I don't even think I would use the vellum. Like, I don't know. I think I'm going to rip out the vellum. Okay. And declutter the rest. This one is new. I just got it recently from Office Depot. Yeah. And then this one was a $1 one from Ollie's. So we're keeping that one. This little bit of gold that I have left, I am going to actually just get rid of the cover and have the golds like out of the cover. These, okay, the boyfriend found these at Goodwill, and these are great for matting photos. So I'm going to put these with my scrapbooking stuff to mat photos. I also have this one that I found at Ollie's. So I do have other ones, but I found this one at Ollie's. So I have those. Okay. And then the Autumn Breeze. This one was my favorite one that I found at Ollie's. I have 2 of them. That's how much I liked it. And then I have a bunch of single sheets. Now we all know I don't do vintage anymore. Like I said, I'm gonna be harsh. If it's over here, I'm not keeping it. I'm just not. I have so much stuff. I'm going to put that scrap off the side and put it in my scraps. This is just a cover. Get rid of that. Nope, not keeping it, you guys. I'm really not. It's not my style. I don't craft like this anymore. Okay, I will keep that, though, for the hot dogs, because you never know when you're going to need food paper. This is all very thin paper from, I don't even know where. Just a tiny little scrap. That's going to go in the garbage. Okay, this is $49 to market. But this is Christmas paper from 1 year of my December daily. So I'm going to keep that. There's only a few sheets left, but it's like that would make really cute something or other. I don't hate it. Let's put it that way. All this stuff can just go. All this thin paper can go. Oh, there's something. Oh, gold. Put that there so I can cut more stuff out of it. This one is also $49 to market. Okay, this one I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep that because it matches, and I could use that on something with the matching. Same with these. As you can tell, I'm more of a dark colored girly. That's the cover. I'm more of the dark color, jewel tone, stuff like that. And don't ask me, this is from AC Moore. an old paper pad from AC Moore. It's Valentine's Day. I don't have a lot of Valentine's Day paper. I already said that. So I'm going to keep these few sheets. And this is from, oh my God, it starts with an A. It starts with an A. I want to say like antique, but that's, I don't. I have a bunch of just scraps in here that will go in the garbage. This is a mini creative pad, P13. Just has like textures on it. I don't know what the size is. 4x6. So this would also make good photo mats, and I'm always looking for photo mats. So I'm going to put that over there. Okay. I just have things flying out at me. I do have some zoo pictures, if I can find them, to use. Oh, here's more freaking doors. Oh boy. I have a lot of summer paper, so let's just get rid of that. This is, oh, that's where this one came from that I was like, where does this one came from here? Craft Consortium. So that can go. This is P13 Farm Sweet Farm. I'm going to keep that one. This is Day in the Life. I don't even think there's much of this left. I think there's like one of each month left. So we'll keep that. All the birthday scraps fell out. Now, I never have girl paper, so I'm going to keep what little bit of scraps are left in here in case I need them to make my niece's birthday cards, which, by the way, I forget every year to make birthday cards. I even forgot to make my son a birthday card. It's not just my niece's. I literally forgot to make my kid a birthday card. Here's the Winnie the Pooh. My boyfriend got me this from Echo Park. Okay, first responder paper pad, that's gonna go. I already used the 12 by 12, and I don't think there's anything in here that I would use on the back side, on the B side, that I feel it's necessary to pull out. I mean, I would use the plaid. But am I going to rip? No, I'm just going to keep that whole. Why would I rip that apart? Okay, I have some silver. We'll keep that to continue cutting out. This, my son got me. There's not much of it left, but he got me that for Christmas one year. And that's from Michael's. Farmhouse. We will keep whatever scraps are in there. Our adventures. We all know I don't go on adventures, you guys. And I don't think there's anything that screams at me. So we're going to get rid of it. All right, now we're on to, let's just go through and grab all the 6x8. All right. No. This is what, Heidi Swap. There's some good, but if I'm not using it, let's just tear it out. I'm not keeping stuff I'm not going to use. I would use that. Not going to use that. Yeah, I am being quite vicious in my tearing here. I think I would use that. Once again, no. No and no. There we go. Done. Garbage. What else we got? Oh, Jen Hadfield Flower Child. I've used most of that. Park Lane Great Outdoors. This one's a tough one. I could use it because I do have a lot of camping pictures, but I don't like it all. So like, no. The dog one's okay. No. No. The back is okay, but I don't need to. No. No. Okay. I don't need 2. And as I'm going through this, I'm realizing I don't want any of it. Okay. That was simple. Yep. Don't want any of it. There we go. Oh, I do have more. Valentine's. Oh, but this is almost empty. A lot of scraps. Okay. Keep that. This I have not even used. It's still taped. And this is way more my style. I think my boyfriend bought this for me. And then this Easter, which I would say I don't have Easter if I get rid of this, but I did just buy an Easter pack, and these bright colors have never been my thing. So that leaves us with not much. Let's get these scraps out of here. So we have these. I'm going to put that upside down so they don't fall out. And then those. So we ended up getting rid of a good amount, I feel like. A lot of these don't have much left in it. And I'm only keeping them just to make sure that I have stuff for scrapbooking is basically why I'm keeping it. And then these, there's that gold. And then these, that got rid of a lot. And then these, can I fit these in here? I'm gonna have to bend them a little bit, but they'll fit. And there it is. That got rid, oh, I almost forgot this one. Let's put that back there. Okay, so there we go. So this is everything I'm putting in my Destash pile. That's a good amount. And then these are covers I can get rid of. This scrap I'm just going to throw back in there. And these scraps I'm just going to chuck in the garbage, well, recycling. And that's that. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more of these because, guys, I'm going through everything. Everything. I am so over all of the crap that I have in my room. I'm over it. Some of this stuff I haven't touched. And if I haven't touched it in at least the past 6 months, then I'm never going to. So it's going. And I have not touched this basket and a lot of these papers in a really long time. So yeah, I'm just going through everything and I'm getting rid of everything. So be prepared. You're going to get a bunch of these. And then at the end, I'm going to break everything up that I can into a bunch of boxes that I'm just going to give away. I think so anyway. That's what I think what I'm going to do. I was going to donate them, but I think I might, I'm not sure yet. Don't quote me on it, but thank you so much for joining me today. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.